Case name Subramania, age is 28 years, and today date is 14th of December 2023, and complaint of high-pitched voice. Subramania, I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
Yeah, my name is Subramania. I am from Bangalore only. I have facing high-pitched voice problem since my puberty, and it's affected to my confidence level, and especially in I'm in meeting or something, I couldn't speak loudly or effectively.
Voice sample after 8 days of therapy, and today date is 21st December 2023. So what problem you had? Why you came here?
Sir, my name is Subramania. Actually, I have patients dealing with the high-pitched voice, so I have came for recovering the high-pitched voice problem. After 8 days, my voice is a little bit slightly that will be changed. I have called some friends. They have told there were some little bit changes will be there.
Okay, tell your hobbies.
So my hobbies will be I have playing cricket and I have playing volleyball, and I'm reading books and listening music.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for your faith. Those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes, write in the comment box and like this video, share this video. And can we use a video for awareness purpose? It also
Sorry, it will we can use.
Okay, thanks for watching.